class 8th linear equation in one variable, which is chapter 3. In that we are going to do exercise 3.1, and we have first question, that is x minus 2 equals to 7. Okay, so first question, x minus 2 equals to 7 they have given. Okay, we need to find here x value. Okay, so we need to find the x value of this particular equation. So if you write x, and if we take this minus 2 to the other side of the equals to sign, what will it become? Minus 2 will become plus 2. So we can write 7 plus 2, x equals to 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so x value is what? 9. Okay, we found out that x equals to 9. So we need to check that whether this x value equals to 9 is correct or not. So for that one we need to check whether the we need to put the x value 9 equals to in a given equation, that is x minus 2 equals to 7. So we need to write again the equation, the same equation what they have mentioned in the question. We need to write it as it is only. In the place of x, what we have found out? We found out that x equals to 9, so we need to put that one. So in the place of x, I'm going to write as 9 minus 2 equals to 7. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 equals to 7. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. Okay, and so keep in mind that whenever we are taking any signs other than opposite side of the equal to sign, that is if I have a value say minus 2 only, so minus I have the sign of minus, and I'm taking, sorry, if I'm taking minus 2 minus value to other side of the equals to sign, then it will become plus. If I'm taking a plus positive sign to other side of the equation, then it will become minus. If I'm taking the multiplication to the other side of the equation, then it will become division. Then division, if I'm taking that to other side of the equation, then it will become multiplication. So you need to keep it in mind, keep these things in the mind. Okay, you need to remember these things. Okay, so other than this we have one more thing, that is if we are multiplying say minus into minus, if I'm multiplying two numbers where having the same signs, that is minus and minus, then the multiplication result will become minus into minus plus, and plus into plus it will become plus, and plus into minus it will become minus, minus into plus it will become minus. So these two are the basics of mathematics. Okay, these two are the basics of mathematics. If you remember this particularly, like if you remember this perfectly, then it's a a win for you. In a sense, a basic mathematics, you are strong in that one. Okay, so remember this, guys. So this is very fun, very basic. So if you're not going to, like, if you're not remembering these things, then it will be very difficult for you. So remember these things. So we can go to the second problem. Okay, so see, second problem is same, equals to it means similar to the first problem. Okay, the difference is they have given in the place of x they have given y, and in the place of plus minus 2 they have given plus 3. Okay, so second question. Okay, write down the second question, whatever they have given. Y plus 3 equals to 10. Okay, and then what I said, if I am taking any number which is having a particular sign, that is here it is having a plus sign, if I am taking this particular number to the other side of the equal sign, then this sign will become a positive, will become minus, negative. So how can I write that one? Y equals to 10 minus 3. Okay, so y equals to 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7. So we found out that y value is 7. So we need to check whether this y value is 7 is correct or not. So again I'm going to write as what we need to do, we need to write again the equation what they have given in the question. So y plus 3 equals to 10. So in the place of y I need to write the 7, because we found out that y equals to 7. So in the place of y I'm going to write 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So 7 plus 3 is as 10 only, so 10 equals to 10. So we can say that LHS of this equation is similar to RHS of this equation. So both are same. So we can say that this particular y equals to 7 is correct. Okay, this is very easy because it's similar to the first problem, so it's very easy. Okay, so now we can go to the third question, that is 6 equals to z plus 2. Okay, so try to solve it along with me. Okay, so check whether your answer and my answer are same. Okay, so let me write the third question. So that is 6 equals to z plus 2. Okay, so they have given 6 equals to z plus, so here we need to find out the value of z. So what I have said earlier, that if I are taking any number which is having particular sign, that is, say if it is having minus or positive, if I am taking this particular to here it is having a sign of positive. If I am taking to other side of the equals to sign, then it will become minus. So 6 minus 2 equals to z. Okay, 6 minus 2 means 4. 4 equals to z, or z equals to 4. Okay, so the value of z is 4. So I need to check whether it is correct or not. So what I will do, I will write the same equation whatever they given in the question. So 6 equals to z plus 2. So 6 equals to, in the place of z, what we have found out that z equals to 4, I need to write it down 4 only. 4 plus 2, that is 6 equals to 4 plus 2 is 6. So we can say that both the equation of LHS and RHS are, both the equation of the LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, so the value of z equals to 4 is correct. Okay, so it was very easy. Okay, so I think hope you guys are also get the same answer. Okay, let's see the fourth question. Let us see fourth question. Yeah, fourth question is, see, it is a little bit different, but don't worry. Okay, it is actually very easy, but if you think that they have given a division of by 3 by 7 like that, it's very confusing. No, it's very easy. Same thing whatever done in the previous example, same only. Okay, so we need to find out here x value, so keep x as it is. Okay, then send this 3 by 7 which is having a positive sign, send this 3 by 7 to other side of the equals to sign. So x equals to, here what we have, 17 by 7, and 3 by 7 will become minus 3 by 7. Okay, so x equals to, we need to find out the LCM of these two. So here both the values having the same division, that is 7 only, so I'm going to write as 7 only. If you are confused about how I am writing this 7, then check with the LCM, that is 7 comma 7. I need to check the LCM of these two. Okay, I have written these two, 7 comma 7. 7 is divisible by 7 only, 7 on the 7 on the, what we have left with 7 only, so I am writing 7 only. Okay, so 7 is in the multiple of 1, 7 on the 7, so I am multiplying here also 1, and here also it is 7 on the 7, therefore I am multiplying the numerator with the 1 only. So 17 on the 17 minus 3 on the 3. So x equals to 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7, 7 on the 7, 2 the, so x equals to how much? 2. We got x equals to 2. So we need to check whether this x equals to 2 is correct or not. So for that one, again we need to write the equation what they have given in the example, that is 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. This is the equation they have given in the provided in the question. Okay, so in the place of x, so what I need to write 2, because we found out that x equals to 2, so place the 2 value in the place of x, then 17 by 7. So here again we need to find out the LCM of these two. Here we don't have anything below of these two, so whatever write that, what we can write in the below, we can write it as 1. Okay, 7, 2 divided by 1 is also here, 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2 only. Okay, but 1 by 2 is not equals to 2. Okay, this is how to remember this. Okay, 2 by 1 equals to 2 only. Okay, you can write 2 by 1 as a 2 as 2 by 1. So if we going to find out the LCM of these two, that is 7 comma 1, 7 and 1. Let us write here 7 comma 1. So 7 1 the 7 and 1. We don't have a 1 in a multiplication of a 7. Okay, so that is why we are going to write whatever the values here, so same only. So we are left with the 7. That is why I am writing LCM of a 7 and 1 is 7 only. So 3. So in the table 7 table, 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7. So I am multiplying 3 with the 1 only. So 3 1 the 3. In the table of 1, 7 will come at 7, 1 7 the 7. So that is why I am multiplying here also with 7. 7 2 the 14 equals to 17 by 7. So 14, 3 plus 14 is 17 by 7 equals to 17 by 7. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. So both the equation, the whatever the value we got, that is x equals to 2, that is correct. So let me explain it one more time. See what they have given, 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. Okay, so what we need to find, x value we need to find. So that is why I am kept the same thing as here only, equals to, I have sent the 3 by 7 to the other side of the equals to sign. That is, if this is having a positive sign, if here it is does not having anything, that means it is having always having a positive sign. I'm sending this one to other side of the equals to sign, then it will become 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. We need to find out the LCM of these two, 7 by 7. So we done that one by dividing both the values with 7, then we got the left with the 7 only. So 7 in the table of 7, it will come at 7 on the 7. So that is why I am multiplying it 7 on the 7. Here also 7 on the 7. That is why I am multiplying it 3 by 1 only. Okay. So 17 on the 7, 3 on the 3. 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7. 7 on the 7 to the. So we got the x value as 2. Next, we need to check whether this equation is correct or not. So I am writing again the same equation what they have provided in the example, that is 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. So 3 by 7 plus x, what we have found out, 2, right here. 2x value is 2. That is why I wrote written here equals to 17 by 7. See, we need to find out the LCM of 7, and if they don't have anything below the numbers, that means always remember, if a number don't have anything, that is 2 that didn't have anything below it 1, so you can write it as divided by 1. So that is what I have written here. So 7 and 1, LCM of 7 and 1 I have done here. 7 on the 7. So in the table of 7 we don't have 1, so that is why I am keeping 1 as 1 only. So we are left with 7. So in the table of 7, the 1 will come at 7 on the 7. So that is 7 will come at 7 on the 7. So that is why I am multiplying with the 3 on the 3. Then in the 1th table, the 7 will come at 1 7 the 7. That is why I am multiplying 2 with the 7. So 14 divided by 2 7 the how much, 14. 3 1 the 3. 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. 17 by 7, both are equal. Hence the whatever the x value we got, that is actually the correct answer. Okay, it was very easy, simple, but we need to remember the how to do the LCM. Okay, let me take an example other than this 7 and 1. Okay, let me take 12 and 18. So how we are going to do that? Okay, let me show you how the LCM will work here. Okay, let me erase this complete thing, then we can go with the example. Okay, so here take example that is 3 by 12 and 6 by 18. Okay, they have given 12 and 18 in the denominator, and numerator we have 3 and 6. Okay, it can be divisible, but I am taking just as an example. Okay, so first we need to find out what is the LCM of 12 and 18. So we need to divide it by 2 only. See, these are divisible by 6. Okay, then 3, then 4, not 4, 3 and 6. Okay, so first we always have to go with the smaller number, that is 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Okay, Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. See, 2 1s are 2. In the table, 2 stable, 3 is not available, so that is why I am keeping the 3 as 3 only. Next again 3 3 in the table of 1, in the table of 3, and 1 is not there, so that is why I am keeping 1 as 1 only. 3 1s are 3. So what we have left with 2 2, write it down, 2 into 3 3 into 2 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36, or you can do that 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 12, sorry, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. You can also do that also. Okay, so this is how we got a LCM of 12 and 18 as 36. So I have write it as 36. So in that in the table 36 has come at 12 3s are, that is why I am multiplying denominator and numerator by 3 only. And in the table 18, the 36 will come at 18 2s are, that is why I am multiplying numerator by 2 also. So 3 3s are 9 plus 6 2s are 12. So 9 plus 12 is 21 by 36, that is 3 7s are 3 12s are 36. So 7 by 12 is the final answer. So this is how you do the do the LCM. Okay, it's very simple. Go through one more time. If you not understand, go through one more time. If you not understand, please make a comment below this, so I can read those things and come with the better solutions next time. Okay, so next question, what we have next question here. Next question is fifth one. Okay, the fifth question is 6x equals to 12. Okay, so what can we write? We need to find out the x value. So here 6, and in between 6 and x there is nothing, like they don't have a positive sign or negative sign. So if they have not given anything, that means it is a multiplication, 6 into x. So if you are taking a multiplication to the other side of the equals to sign, then it will become division. This is you have to remember. I have written it right in the previous examples when I was explaining that one. I have written it right. Okay, you need to remember those things. So here it is 6 into x, so that is why if I am going to send this 6 to other side of the equals to sign, then it will become division, that is 12 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are, so x value is 2. So we need to check whether this 2 is correct or not. X value 2, whatever we have got, x equals 2, if it is correct or not. So for that one we need to again write the equation what they have given in the question, that is 6x equals to 12. Again 6 in the place of x we need to write 2 equals to 12. 6 2s are 12 equals to 12. So LHS equals to RHS. So this is simple, right? Okay, right. So let me explain these things again also. Okay, if I taking negative multiplication into other side of the equation, then it will become division. If I are taking division to the other side of the equal to sign, then it will become multiplication. So for example, let us take, if I have 2 by 3 x equals to 1, then the 2x here 3 is a denominator, that is division. So if it will become here, if we'll go this other side of the equation, then it will become 2x equals to 3 into 1, 1 into 3, it will become multiplication. That is what I have written here, 2x equals to 1 into 3 3. Okay, see, this is what how you do it. And if I am taking negative sign to other side of, it will become positive, positive to other side negative. So these are the basics. Okay, so next the remaining questions will be, I will do that in the next class. Okay, so bye guys.